When chaos reigns beneath your sink, the MHHA Under Sink Mat emerges as a true hero. This isn't just a mat. It's a vigilant guardian, ready to catch drips and spills. Think of it as a silent sentry, protecting your cabinets from water's stealthy invasion. Furthermore, it keeps your cleaning supplies neatly corralled. No more sticky messes. No more warped wood. Ultimately, your under-sink area transforms, it becomes a tidy, functional space. This 4-pack of MHHA sink mats and magnetic fridge racks, 4PK, truly delivers. However, the versatility doesn't stop there. These aren't just mats. They are also under-sink organizers. They provide a clean, dry foundation. Plus, the included magnetic spice racks are kitchen game changers. Imagine your refrigerator transformed. It becomes a command center for spices. These sleek black racks cling firmly. They free up valuable cabinet space. Consequently, your spices are always within reach. You will discover cooking becomes more enjoyable. Indeed, the entire kitchen feels more organized. This MHHA sink mats and magnetic fridge racks, 4PK, offers surprising utility. Finally, consider the total package. The MHHA sink mats and magnetic fridge racks, 4PK, provides comprehensive organization. It tackles under-sink clutter. Moreover, it optimizes refrigerator space. These items work together. They create harmony in your home. Installation is a breeze. Cleaning is simple. Truly, this set is a smart investment. It brings order to 2 key areas. Your home will feel tidier. Your life will feel simpler. Therefore, I highly recommend this practical solution. Pros: no staff to hire for logistics. Avoid warehouse rental costs. No transportation payments. Amazon manages all shipping. Customer support handled by Amazon. Product returns are managed. Offers peace of mind. Reach a wider customer base. Products qualify for Prime, faster. Cheaper shipping rates. Improved product visibility. Higher chance to win by box. Boosts search ranking. Fewer direct customer queries. Benefit from Amazon's trust. Easy plug and play setup. Access huge audience base. No technical skills needed. Amazon handles all logistics. Option 4. International sales features. Protects cabinets from spills. Waterproof and easy to clean. Durable. Flexible silicone. Fits most standard cabinets. Raised edges contain leaks. Non-slip surface. Easy to install. Trim to fit if needed. Resistant to mold and mildew. The MHHA Under Sink Mat is a simple solution to keep your cabinets clean and dry. It's a waterproof mat made from strong, flexible silicone that catches spills and leaks. The mat has raised edges to hold water in, and its non-slip surface keeps things in place. It's easy to put in, fits most regular cabinets, and you can trim it if needed. Plus, it won't grow mold or mildew, making cleanup easy. You also get 4 magnetic spice racks for your refrigerator to help organize your spices. When you sell products like the MHHA Under Sink Mat and magnetic spice rack through Amazon, you don't need to worry about the usual headaches of running a business. Amazon takes care of all the storage, shipping, and even customer questions and returns. This means you don't have to hire extra staff, pay for warehouses, or handle deliveries yourself. Your products can reach many more customers, including those with Prime, leading to faster and cheaper shipping, and a better chance for people to see and buy your items. Plus, Amazon's trusted name helps your products look good, and it's easy to get started even if you're not a tech expert. You can even sell your products to people in other countries.